Hello everyone, I'm Armen. Thanks for joining me in my craft room today. If you are new here, welcome. I post card making tutorials and project inspiration videos. You can also find me on Instagram at ArmensCraftRoom, where I post card inspiration and the occasional bullet journal inspiration. I hope you enjoy today's crafting session. So I've added a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch navy blue cardstock panel to a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card. They didn't quite line up, so I just trimmed off the extra white edge, making the card slightly narrower. I'm going to glue on all the prepared snowflakes. I cut these out the other day with Silver Foil Cardstock from Recollections, and the dies are also Recollections. So the goal is to make our own silver foil pattern paper with the navy blue and the snowflakes, and then we'll fill in any gaps with hole punched silver foil circles, and the circles are various sizes, no larger than 3/4 of an inch. Just trimming around the edges here to keep the card level and even, adding any trim pieces to the outer edges to fill in any gaps. We'll start adding in the circles here. The 3/4 inch ones are the largest ones, and there's some 1/2 inch ones and some smaller ones in there as well. All of them are the same foil cardstock. The adhesive tape is a little bit easier on the circles than on the snowflakes. The Let It Snow is part of a 2-part custom stamp set that I had made from rubberstamps.com. You can have any phrases added to photopolymer stamps on the rubberstamps.com website, and they price by size, not by character, which is a great value, so you can have various sizes and configurations. They do have multiple fonts to choose from as well. I'm adding the second half of that stamp set, which is Somewhere Else. So it'll say Let It Snow on the outside and Somewhere Else on the inside. I used the same permanent black ink from Altenew in the inside as I did on the outside. Thank you so much for joining me in my crafting session today. If you like this video, I hope you'll consider liking it and subscribing with notifications on so you can see my next video. Have a wonderful day.